So this is one of our later KTM 1290 Superduke R's. A bit more of a stealth edition this is, it's darker colours, nice Scorpion exhaust fitted, black wheels, really nice. Tail tidy fitted, a little number plate. We can put a bigger one on, just so we've got a road legal one to go with the bike. No corrosion or anything on the engine, no paint peeling. Even all the nuts and bolts are still nice and shiny. Side panels are good. Tank's good, been well looked after. No scuffs, scrapes, dents, scratches or anything like that. Side panel the other side, really nice. Black WP forks, again look really good in the black. No stone chips I can see, that is just a little bit of dirt. Fork seals are good. Lovely big Brembo brakes. Front wheel's nice and clean. Pretty standard bike other than the exhaust system. Yeah, it's got KTM quick shifter fitted, which is their quick shifter plus. It's also got KTM iRide, which is connected to your phone. Adjustable traction control, riding modes, heated grips, etc. Good spec. Like nice and close. It is all really clean. Nice little anodised cover there. Again, a couple of anodised covers, but nothing over the top. It's also got tyre pressure monitoring system, sensors in the wheels, so you know when your tyre pressures are low.